Dr. Hussein from the South African Medical Association, ending that report there by Aviu Mtila. But still on our focus on hospital safety, there's a case now that has been opened after a 19-year-old was raped allegedly by another patient at Mahatma Gandhi Hospital in Phoenix, just north of Durban. Her parents are being denied access to her due to COVID-19 restrictions. Senior reporter Dasen Thathiah is covering this story for us. Dasen, good afternoon. What do we know so far about this case? Have you been able to speak to the family?
I did, Bradan, and as I've been saying throughout the day, this is an extremely disturbing case because when anyone is admitted into a hospital, the last thing that they think of is a potential rape allegation and a case being opened as a result of that. But that's exactly what happened in this instance. So just a little bit of background about this woman. She's 19 years old. She was admitted to this hospital, to the Mahatma Gandhi Hospital, on the She also suffers with bipolar disorder. And while she was there for the first few days, she was sedated. And on Saturday night, that's when she came to. And this incident took place on Sunday morning. It happened allegedly when she was going to the bathroom. She says that she was attacked by another patient. Now, she was in the casualty ward initially because she was awaiting results. She had to go for a COVID-19 test. And the incident took place on Sunday. She says that after the incident, she tried to get the assistance of staff, but the problem was that the type of help that she wanted wasn't forthcoming. In fact, the other patient, the alleged perpetrator, still remained in the facility, and up to now, he is at that facility, although she has been transferred. So the latest developments now, after speaking to the family earlier, is that she has been transferred, as the department has told us. But the concern here is the family says that they were not informed of that transfer. Let's listen in to an interview that I did with her distraught father earlier today.
She was traumatized. She said she wanted to kill herself. She doesn't want to live. She didn't know what to do. She's telling me and her mother she doesn't want to live because her life is buggered. She wants to kill herself. She wants to take her life. That's why for the very moment we are frightened to even leave her at Gandhi's, because if they couldn't take care of her at that time over there in such a big place, there's so much of doctors inside, the security is up and down inside. Security will chase us from going and seeing our family inside there, but they can't see what's happening inside the hospital.
So is there any way that you can, or have you asked to have her released?
That's what I'm going to go do today. I'm going to see the PRO today, and I want to see my daughter, and I want to ask the PRO to please release my child.
Doesn't the KwaZulu-Natal Health Department, have they said anything?
Well, they have responded. We did put in an inquiry today. Just, before I get to that response, there was also a protest that took place this morning, and that was by the community members. They came to find out about this incident, and they were also angered, just like the family. The family had reached out to some community leaders in Phoenix, and they staged a protest, demanding answers, demanding transparency. They wanted things like the case number. They wanted to find out how far along the case was, why the alleged perpetrator was still in the hospital. And the Department of Health now says that an investigation has been instituted. They are taking the matter very seriously. The things that they dispute, though, is that the family was denied that case number. They say, in fact, the family was given that case number. They also deny that the alleged victim and the alleged perpetrator in this instance were in the same ward, because they say that they do normally have a separation between males and females. But let's hear it from the HOD for KZN Health, Dr. Sandile Shabalala.
The Department of Health would like to confirm that it has been informed of an incident where two patients, mental health care patients, were found, and the male, it is alleged that the male raped the female patient. But we are saddened and disappointed that the report is saying these patients were admitted in the same ward. And we would like to dispute this and state that the Department of Health does not at any stage admit patients of different sexes in the same ward. Male and female patients are admitted in different wards. We also would like to dispute the fact that this matter is being hidden This we are saying because in the occurrence book that is written by the security in the hospital, the matter is reported, and as such the matter is being followed up. This report is a preliminary report. After we have been given further reports on the matter, the information will further be distributed. We can also report that both patients are receiving care as they deserve, as the rights in the Bill of Rights say. The male patient is currently admitted at Mahatma Gandhi Hospital, while the female patient has been moved to another institution, but even there will receive the same good quality care that she also deserves. We are not happy with this, but we definitely will be following it up. Thank you.